这些封装的铂金固化硅胶来自浙江沿海的一家化工厂，每一桶都经过溯源编码和气密检测，到达车间时要再次核验。技术员用手持终端扫描标签，数据实时传入中央系统，与温湿度记录一起存档。
Viscosity is holding at 0.8. Color shift looks stable.
Smoothest curve we've had all week. Let it run another cycle and lock the profile.
Got it. Air bubbles are practically zero.
That's what we like to see.
This virus didn't evolve. It was carried.
Alignment's within 1/10 of a millimeter. Green across the board.
Numbers match the scan perfectly. Let me lock the latches.
Torque reading is good. Seal looks clean.
It's like real skin. Every pore's there.
And everyone in the right place. Nice work.
Pressure to target, compressing now.
Dimple forms reading stable, logging.
Stretch test on the forearm, tensile limit approaching. Okay, release.
Texture scan complete, resolution looks clean, knuckle detail intact.
Impact data uploading to the main log.
Great, we'll sign off once durability averages out. Looks solid.
Each follicle is handled individually. The graft is loaded into the pen, guided to a precise incision, and seated into the scalp with one motion. Reddish tones fade quickly as the area hydrates. A conditioning rinse calms the skin and protects the new roots.
Feather it right along the jawline. See how it warms up?
Yeah, it blends perfectly. I'll balance it with some cooler tones on the opposite side.
Great. Once the sealer sets, it should disappear into the surface.
It's looking alive already.
Every contour, every edge, every millimeter. Checked, perfected, protected. Here, precision meets patience. What began as liquid silicone now leaves as a promise, sealed and ready for the world beyond these doors.